we're bending that up so we could get the pipe in.
So we cut out the little hose holder, just like this one. Cut it out so we could clear our pipe. Squeeze. All right, so we cut down a hose. We found this hose clamp off of a half pipe. The clamp right there, the hose. And that fit perfectly onto the 650 pipe.
Now I gotta buy a new one. But whatever. Vince says he's gonna buy me a new one, we'll see.
Yeah.
90 to a 90. It'll do it. It'll do it.
All right, we got the motor in. We got the test fit going. We're gonna come back out tomorrow and try to get everything buttoned up.
Capped off.
Cap the short one.
We still got our check valve. We have our return. And then fuel. We're on direct to it. No shut off stuff. So this is going to be our in, which we're going to shorten up right here to go into our fuel pump. And then this routes right. Kind of like a
little whoop. Yeah. Tank in. Got our motor mounts in. Now we're gonna tinker around with our electrical. We're not gonna run cooling. We're just gonna run in today.